The first question says work out 6 times -4. So whenever we're multiplying a positive and negative integer, remember that the answer would always be negative. And 6 times 4 is 24. So -24 is the answer. In the next question, they're asking us to work out the product of -7 and -4. Now, when we're multiplying two negative integers, the answer is always positive. So 7 times 4 is 28. So positive 28 is going to be your answer to this. Next question says, from the list of numbers, write on the cube numbers. So we have 3, 6, 8, 14, 16, 28, 41, and 64. So cube numbers are numbers which are made by multiplying one number 3 times. So for example, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, which is 1 cube. 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 cube, which is 8. So we know 8 is a cube number. Then 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, which is not given over here. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So that's this. These are the only two cube numbers that are in this list. Then it says write down the cube root of 27. So now we're going backwards. In the first part, we were finding what the true number is. Now we're finding the number which, when multiplied, gives us the cube number. So as we did over here, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So cube root of 27 is 3. That's your answer. In the next one, it says enlarge the shape by scale factor of 3. So they've given us this shape and we have to enlarge this by scale factor of 3, which means all of these lengths will get multiplied by 3 and that will give us a new shape. So since each of these lengths are represented by one box, so that means this will turn into 3. All of these will be represented by 3 boxes. So if we draw this over here, 3 boxes, 3 boxes, 3 boxes, again 3, 3, 2, 3, and this is your shape, which is enlarged by a scale factor of 3. Now in the next part, it says reflect the triangle A in the x-axis. So this is your x-axis, which means the triangle will be reflected in this area. So we see what is the distance of each of these points on the triangle from the x-axis, which is our mirror line. So this is 1 box away, so this point will become this. This point is 4 boxes away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same with this one. So now if we connect the points, this is our reflection of shape A in the x-axis. Next question says make W the subject of the formula. So right now, Y is the subject of the formula, and we have to make this the subject. So we move each of the terms on the right-hand side to the left-hand side. So first, I'm going to add A to both sides. So that's going to give us Y plus A equals to 3W. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So it's going to be Y plus A over 3 equals to W. Now, as you can see, instead of Y, W is the subject of the formula, and everything else is on the left-hand side.